How TCP establishes a connection. Before data can be reliably exchanged between two devices, a connection needs to be established. That is the job of TCP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Its purpose is to create a reliable connection between two endpoints before data is sent. TCP does not assume that a connection already exists. Instead, it creates one using a short exchange of messages. This exchange is called a handshake. The process begins when one device wants to communicate with another. It sends a message saying, in effect, "I would like to start a connection." This message includes information about how the sender wants the connection to behave. When the receiving device gets this message, it responds. It says, "I received your request, and I am ready to communicate." This response also includes its own connection information. Finally, the original device sends a confirmation. This confirms that both sides agree on the connection parameters. At this point, the connection is established. This three-step exchange ensures that both sides are present, reachable, and ready. No data is sent reliably until this process is complete. Once the connection exists, TCP can begin sending data. Each side now knows who it is communicating with, that the other side is responsive, and how to manage the data flow. The connection is logical, not physical. No dedicated path is reserved across the network. Packets still travel independently, just as before. TCP simply keeps track of what has been sent and received. If one side does not respond during the handshake, the connection is not established. The attempt simply times out. This prevents devices from assuming a connection exists when it does not. TCP connections are temporary. They exist only for the duration of the communication. When the exchange is finished, the connection is closed and the state is removed. From the network's perspective, packets are still just packets. TCP operates above that layer, using the network to carry its messages. So, when you think about TCP connection setup, think about agreement. Both sides confirm that they are ready. Only then does reliable communication begin. That's how TCP establishes a connection.